And today we're going to be looking at these teeth whitening strips. That's right, these are like the strips that you peel off and you put on your teeth. You can leave them there for 30 minutes up to 60 minutes and they're going to brighten your smile. Let's open them up, take a look and see what we're going to get. And that's exactly what you get. And now in this box, you're going to get 42 strips or 21 treatments. You also get this teeth whitening guide so you can see where your teeth start and where they stop and how much they have improved. Now these strips are designed to be more comfortable and more fitting. They're engineered to fit your teeth better, and you will see results after the very first application. So we're going to open this up. And these work just like any other strip, but these are also formulated to whiten your teeth without the sensitivity that some of the others give you, because after they've been on your teeth for 30 minutes or an hour, your gums kind of feel it, and this is not supposed to happen. All right, and so this is what the strips look like. You have the larger one for the top and the smaller one for the bottom, and you just simply peel it off. It's not sticky. I mean, it's slightly sticky, but it won't be activated until it gets mixed with the saliva in your mouth. And you just put it on your teeth like so. And what I like to do is, if it hangs down below your teeth, I'm talking like a vampire now, I just kind of roll it up a little bit. You can make sure it's pushed up all the way. It's got a very minty feeling, like toothpaste. It's got a nice mint taste to it. It's not disgusting or yucky. Things we do on camera. So they are on. Like I said, you leave that on for 30 minutes to an hour, then you peel them off and just rinse your mouth out and you're done. And you will see results after just one treatment. And of course you can do daily treatments until you get the desired effect. They don't taste terrible, they just taste minty, no sensitivity, and they're engineered to fit your teeth better. Okay, so it's been like 40 minutes and they stuck on, no problem. Didn't have any issues with them lifting or wanting to come off. My gums are not sensitive or raw in any way. And yeah, they do what they're supposed to do. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.